Welcome back to another Kids Art Now video. My name's Marissa, and let me guide you through a drawing of our Lady Liberty, or the Statue of Liberty. All you need is a marker, a paper, and maybe some colors. I'm going to use crayons later. The first step is to make her kind of crown. You're going to start by going up and around, kind of like a little rainbow. Next, we're going to make another curve following that same one around. And we're going to close it up at the end. Next, we're going to kind of start here and make a curve again, connecting it. Part of this part is her torch that she holds. So we're going to go up, around, make a curve in, up, and make like the flame of the torch, kind of like a half circle like this. Now we're going to connect the first line that we did into the torch. Now let's make her crown that goes up. The spikes at the top goes up here. One kind of triangle. We have another one going out. Have another one this way. This side is going to go up and down. One more to kind of make it even from the other side. Try not to get our flag here. There we go. Now we're going to make the hair. The hair goes down, comes up in the middle, and you're going to kind of go this way into the torch. There we go. And then from the torch, let's start making the torch go down, a line going across like this. Kind of goes in a little, and then from that point in, you're going to go out. Same thing with the other side, out, and then connect those two. We're going to follow this same line down. So start here, another line as well. From this corner, we're going to try to make the face go all the way up to here. So start from the corner and go down and up, connecting it just like this. Now we're going to make a circle for the hand, like this. The torch is going to go through her hand so it looks like she's holding it. Kind of make it pointed at the end. Then she's going to have some hair also sticking out from the side of her crown. It goes out and back in. I think we should draw her ear now, just because we're drawing her hair. Makes it easier to see where it's connecting. Here's her ear. Connect the hair. We're going to make some more hair going out, around and up. More hair, around, up. Last one. And then let's draw a face. I have a cute face. Just two little curves for eyes and a smile like this. Let's make the rest of her body. Actually, I kind of want to make one more to fill out her hair. Now with the body, start at the neck, go out, and she holds this plate or paper in her hand like this. Go down, make another circle for her hand just like the torch, and then connect from this line down. Over here we're going to go down from her neck. We're going to make the dress go down into the tablet kind of part here, go in, up. We're going to go from this point, make a line down, across. There's going to be a straight line in the middle, and from that straight line we're going to go down and try to touch it. So it's like a race to the corner. There we go. Now from this corner down one more, curve around, and the other side of her dress needs a hand. The arm's going to be holding it up like this. We have a sleeve that goes around and in, down, comes up into the neck, around and up, round and up. Here we're going to connect the arm to the head, make little lines, kind of like creases for her arms. Now from this point we're going to go down, drape the dress down. From this point we're going to also drape the dress down and flare it out, and straight line. We're going to make some feet pop out by making a curve, and then like a little foot. From that line goes down. We're going to have one more curve to the bottom and match it up. Curve line here. And I think we have our Statue of Liberty. Now it's time to color. There we go, all colored. I had fun today. I hope you enjoyed drawing the Statue of Liberty. Be sure to subscribe for new videos each week, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.